Oh my god, for a second, ew! What the heck is that right there? Hey girl, hey! Welcome back to another video. Today, girl, I am so excited slash nervous. You have no idea. For today, I'm going to look at my brushes, my beauty blender, and my makeup underneath a microscope. So if you get easily disgusted, I warn you to not look at this video. Do you ever wonder what's actually in a beauty blender or what's actually at the very bottom of brushes when I wash them? I personally wash my brushes with just Dawn soap and warm water. So I want to see what's actually in my brushes or just in my highlighter, like what's inside my highlighter. So I've always been very curious, but it wasn't up until last week that I stumbled upon a video on Facebook of a Spanish YouTuber that did what her makeup looked like under a microscope. And if I find her video, I'll link it down below. I didn't quite see what was her channel name because it was on Facebook, but if I find it, I'm gonna leave it linked down below. So I ordered it and I was like, oh my god, I have to show my pita chips what's in your makeup, in your brushes, or just in your face, you know, because sometimes you think you're looking like bomb, you're like, yes, what's really underneath your makeup? Like, what does your skin really look like underneath? So for today, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna order my microscope, and this is what it looks like. I got it from Amazon. In case you guys want to order it, it's gonna be linked down below. Without any further ado, enough rambling, I'm excited and I'm intrigued to see what's inside of all this makeup. So if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this little microscope, it said that it would work with iPhones, but now here on the box, I'm telling you in case it tricks you, because it tricked me. It told me it was going to work on my iPhone, but it didn't. So it works for computers, notebooks, tablets, and Android. So if you have an Android, you're good to go, but if you have an iPhone, it's probably not going to work, but it did work on my MacBook Pro. So I'm going to be using my MacBook Pro. So if you see me looking a little bit down, that's why, but don't worry, you guys will see it here on the screen. So what do I get started with? I am so scared, if I'm being honest, girl. I'm so scared. Okay, let's start off with my beauty blender because I just washed it. I say I just washed it, but I don't really know. So this is what the microscope looks like right here. Now I'm gonna press record. So we're gonna start with my beauty blender. I literally just washed it, so we're gonna see. Okay. Oh, ew! What the heck? Okay, let's see. Oh my god, is that foundation? No way. Oh my god, okay, let's go over here. Ew, there's still residue of foundation there. Okay, let's see. There's like these spots here. Oh my god. Oh my god. And I literally left it soaking in Dawn for like 10 minutes. Okay, here looks pretty clean. It's just here. Like, I just can't get over this. Like, I can't. That's foundation there. That's how bacteria grows inside of this. We're gonna leave the beauty blender to the side. Well, not the beauty blender, but the Morphe blender to the side. This just makes me want to buy a dang beauty blender every single time that I use it. How do you guys wash your beauty blender or your blender just in general? Let me know, because I usually just rinse it with like Dawn or Dove and then just warm water. And I thought it got the job done, but apparently it doesn't. So we're gonna move in with a clean brush. I mean, after I saw my beauty blender, I don't even know if I clean my brushes right. Okay, let's go to the very bottom. What is that? Let me open up the brush and go in there. Let's see down here. Oh, look, this that I'm going to show you here, it never came off my brush. What is it? Let's see. I feel like I don't want to look at it now. Oh my god, there's like this gunk that's been on my brush that I can never get rid of. After like 5 minutes of struggling, I got it. Ew, that is the most disgusting thing ever. I don't know what it is, but it's like some sort of glue that never came out of my brush. Okay, now let's look at a dirty brush. Wow, I'm just intrigued by this. That's the very bottom of the brush. Ew, look at all of that. Oh my god. Okay, let's try this. This is what I usually cream contour with. There's another hair there, and it looks like that hair doesn't belong in this brush. I need something that cleans my brushes like 100% good. Okay, now let's try Ooh, you know what? You know when you take off your lashes and you have like so much glue residue on them? What's really on your lashes? That's a trick question. So this is a pair of Lily lashes. We're gonna see. Okay. What does the wand actually look like? Oh, sorry. Ew! Is that what's on my lashes? Look how much glitter is on my lash band. That's crazy. Look how much lash glue. Okay, let's look at this one. Oh my god, for a second. Ew! What the heck is that right there? Are you guys seeing that? Looks like a booger. Ugh. Do you guys see these hairs? Like, these hairs look like they don't belong here. Those. Okay, this is disgusting. This is a pair of old lashes, okay? Now let's look at a highlighter. I'm intrigued what's inside of a highlighter. I know it always makes you look pretty and sparkle, like yes, but what's in it? Let's see. Ooh, it's really not much to see here. It's just all super glittery. Let's see, what's in here? That's my question. Okay, nothing but highlighter on here. Okay, so I guess a highlighter, it's not that dirty. Has lashes and brushes and a blender. Now let's look at a bronzer. There's really isn't much to see in a bronzer, honestly. I feel like there's not much going on. So I've been wanting to see what's inside of this LA Contours one because it has like some little bubbles. Those. What is that? Ever since I started like putting the brush there and just swirling around, these little bumps appeared on the powder. So I was wondering what that was. I have no idea what it is, but you guys are seeing it like up close to see what it looks like. Now let's see. I think this one was the only thing that I wanted to see because these little bumps were like, I was like, what is that? Now let's see what a palette looks like. This is a affordable palette. So let's see what's inside of a palette. This is a vanilla shadow. Doesn't look too vanilla to me. Okay, let's see this one. Darling is like a really pretty like glittery color. Ooh, nothing but glitter. Oh, that looks so cute. I feel like that looks so cute. It's like a whole bunch of little glitters. Now let's look at a like more expensive palette. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette. This palette is dirty, girl, let me tell you. Let's look at what this looks like. Now what I'm showing you right now is like in between the shadows. This is like, I could never get this palette to be super clean. Now let's look at a shadow. See, with shadows I feel like there's not much going on. I feel like they're really, can you really even get bacteria in shadows? I know you can, but oh, this one looks kind of interesting. I feel like it's speckles of other eyeshadows that are there, but I don't know, let me see. Yeah, I definitely feel like there's speckles of other eyeshadows that are there. Should I do what my makeup looks like? Because right now I feel like I look super snatched. But do I really? That's the question. Okay, let's see. I'm scared. I'm so scared right now. Girl, you have no idea. Okay, let's do it. Ooh, honey. I need to hydrate. Oh my god, look at my skin. Look how many hairs I have. Look how that foundation sits in your skin. Damn. Look at my highlight. It looks cute. I can't lie. It looks cute. It looks kind of nasty though at the same time. Okay, let's look at my brows. My brows look like disco balls. They're so, look how much gunk is in my brow. Oh my god. Let's look over here. Yeah, there's definitely so, okay, let's go over here. This one. Ew, I see some baby little brows growing. Oh my god. This is so disgusting. Okay, now let's look at what? My shadow? Oh, look, that's a foil shadow that I have like in the inner of my eye. Let's look at my lashes. These lashes are brand new. Like, I literally just wore them today. This is my first time wearing them, and they're already so dirty. Look at all the glitter. Ew. I'm so, oh my god. Should we look at my nose? Oh my god, are those all my blackheads covered with makeup? Those are literally my blackheads covered with makeup. Ew, that's the most disgusting thing ever. I'm not showing you anymore. Oh my god, that is so gross. Let's look at my hairline. I literally have makeup all the way up here. Like, how gross is that? I have makeup where I shouldn't even be having makeup. Look at my hair. Even my hair has makeup. That's so crazy to see like how the hair is. Look at that. What I want to do next is, let me know in the comments down below. I think it would be really good. I clean half of my face with my makeup remover routine that I do. I don't use very expensive product, and I can remove half of my face with more luxurious and expensive makeup remover products to see which one gets the job done. If the affordable side removes most of the makeup, or if the expensive side removes makeup better. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see for next time I use this little microscope right here. And if you guys want to order it, the link's gonna be down below. And I think that's it for this video. Do not forget to share it with your friend, with your best friend that loves makeup, that always says that my makeup be looking snatched, girl. Be like,
honey, check it. Is it really?
Or with that one friend that cleans their brushes once in a blue moon. If I clean my brushes like almost every day, look what they look like. Imagine if you don't clean them that often, what they're gonna look like. So share it with your friends. Let them know, oh my god, this is what's really in your blender. This is what's really in your brushes and underneath your makeup. So don't forget to share it with all of your friends. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for the next video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Oh, and also do not forget to subscribe so you can be part of the Valle family. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye! Make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of my videos, and if you want to keep on watching more and more videos, make sure to check out yesterday's video. You are not going to want to miss it. It's amazing. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to that vlogging channel right there. And if you can't get enough of me, here is my Spanish channel, so you can go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.